People versus Eric Martin. Mr. Martin, you're back for a settlement conference on this misdemeanor matter. First thing I want to ask you, sir, is I have a court-appointed attorney available. If you would like a court-appointed attorney, I'm just double checking again because you do have a constitutional right to a court-appointed attorney. Would you like a court-appointed attorney?
No.
I'm sorry?
No, no court-appointed attorney.
You do not want a court-appointed attorney? You're breaking up on your end, so that's why I continue asking. So if you could also indicate with your head, like in a yes or no fashion, do you want? You're indicating no. Okay, let the record reflect that. All right, so I see that today is the date and time set for the jury trial, which says clearly in person. Matter of fact, it's even color coded. The notice that was sent out is color coded, as you can see in purple. It says in person, and then it says right there Tuesday, 2nd of April, 8:30, and in person proceedings. And it even shows the address right there, 23365 Goddard Road. And I'm curious as to why you're on Zoom and you're not here at my courthouse for this jury trial.
No, actually, I have the notice that says today's, and I can show you this on my phone. I have the schedule for this is considered a notice. I have.
Sir, you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be here in the courtroom.
Oh, I have.
Not
like
Zoom.
I said,
not on Zoom.
I'll show you that here. Did you hear me?
All right. So if you'd like, I have Mr. Greg. I have the prosecutor, Mr. Greco. The two of you would like to speak in a breakout room for any possible resolution. I got no problem with that. But if not, I'm going to have to adjourn this matter. I'm telling you right now, the next date that you're coming is you're going to be coming in person for the trial here at the court at 23365 Goddard Road, Taylor, Michigan, 48180. All right. So would you like to speak with Mr. Greco for any potential just settlement negotiation?
Yeah, I don't have a problem talking with him. Yes.
Sure. All right.
Let me get it clear from you. You said I didn't get that date.
Your audio is of poor quality, sir, and it's very hard to hear you. So you're asking me for the address? You're asking me for the address?
No, I know you guys. I live in Taylor. I'm alive. Not within the corporation.
Let the record reflect that I literally can't understand anything he's saying. Can anybody else say
what he said? That he lives in Taylor, all his life.
You live in Taylor all your life, and you know where the court is?
Can you hear me better now?
Yes, much better. Much better. Yes.
And
now it's going in and out. Now it's going in and out. So, all right. So hopefully Mr. Greco can hear you better. I'm going to put the two of you into a breakout room. Next time you're going to be coming, if there is no resolution today, and I'm not saying that to say that you must come to some resolution today, but if there is no resolution today, this is going to be set for the jury trial that you requested, and that is here in person at the courthouse. So the next time you come in for this case, it's going to be here at the courthouse. Here's a breakout room prosecutor 1, and I'll put you and Mr. Greco in there.
But I want to make it clear, but I want to ask you though.
Hang on, go ahead and talk to the prosecutor first. All right, Mr. Greco, Mr. Martin, this is case is 231510OT, People versus Eric Martin, case 23TA 18605B, 231 TA 18605C, and then 231510. Okay, so that's there. All right, good. So, Mr. Greco, you had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Martin. Was there any resolution in this matter?
No, Your Honor, there was not a resolution. There was a plea offer that was made that was rejected by Mr. Martin. I then asked Mr. Martin if he wants I guess he wants a trial in the matter, and he would not, he indicated he wouldn't consent to the jurisdiction of this court. So.
Well, first off, you committed a crime in the city of Taylor, I have jurisdiction. It's literally as simple as that. It's constitutional as can be, Mr. Martin. I explained it to you before. I've explained it to you on other occasions about jurisdiction. Your reading of jurisdiction or wherever you're getting this idea of how jurisdiction works is woefully wrong. We have constitutional jurisdiction. You committed a crime in the jurisdiction. We have jurisdiction. We have in persona jurisdiction over you. You availed yourself of the jurisdiction, and you're domiciled in Taylor as well. So there's literally every single reason to have jurisdiction. Now, we're going for a jury trial. I'm going to mail out the date to set this for the jury trial.
Your Honor, if I might, Jeffrey Fianto. We were originally assigned to Mr. Martin, and I came in, you were talking to him, so I'm assuming that he is chosen to act as his own counsel.
That is correct.
Okay,
So, but since you're right here, let me just double check to see. Mr. Martin, just for confirmation, you do not want House counsel assisting you. Is that correct?
No, sure don't, because I don't waive my right to a Republican form of government, and no.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Make the record.
Sure.
Attorney to
All right. So we are going to get the date and time mailed out to you. You need to appear in person. In person, that means your body corporeally in this building, not on Zoom, not by any other means or anything like that. Physically, actually present in space and time here at the courthouse. All right? That's what in person means. So we'll see you in person for the jury trial. You'll be getting notice in the mail. You'll get notice in the mail, sir.
I heard you, but I want to say